Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 2 English. Today's class we will discuss common names and special names. Chapter 3, lesson 3, common names and special names. What are common names, what are special names, we will learn in this class. Is it clear? Now say me what are common names. Common names mean general names. Common names mean general names of people, places, animal, things. Now father, mother. You will call your father, mother only. Your neighbor children also call their father, mother only. Yes, we all call our parents father, mother only. So father, mother is the common name. Father, mother is the common name. Father, mother, brother. All sisters will say he is my brother. Yes, all brothers will say she is my sister. So father, mother, brother, sister, these all are common names. Common names. Now dog. All the dogs are dogs only. Yes, all the dogs are dogs. Cat. If you see cat, you will say this is a cat. If you see somewhere cat, yes, cat only. If we give name to the cat, then it is a special name. All the cats, all the dogs, all the tigers, elephants, all come under common name only. If we give name to the animal, then it is a special. General. Common means general names used for people, places, animal, thing. Now what is the name of this thing? Book. What is the name of this thing? Book. I will call this book. You two will say book only. All the books are books only. All the books are books only. If I say this is Collins English Grammar Book, then now I gave name to this book. I gave name to this book. What I told? Collins Grammar English Book. Then it is a special name. If we simply say book, then all the books are books only. Common. If we give name to this book, then it is a special name. Read here. Common names. You should learn these two children. What is common? What is special? You should learn. Naming words that are the general names for the same kind of people. Same kind of people means grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt. All uncles are called uncles only. All aunties are called aunts only. People, places. Places means park, garden, restaurant, hospital. All the hospitals are called hospital only. If we give name to that hospital and say, then it is a special. You go to park. Your friend also will go to park. Then it is what is special. Common. Park is also common. Garden. Yes, you will call that place garden. Your friend also will call that place garden. Everybody will say garden only. If we give name to that garden and say, then it is special. Garden means general. Common. Animal. Now animals. Dog. All the dogs are called dogs. Yes. Street dogs will be there on the street. Many dogs are there. Yes. We will say all the dogs only. If we have pet dogs at home, then we will give name to that pet dog. Then it is a special name. Yes. Common means all dogs are dogs. And things like pencil, eraser, book, and whatever things you see in your house like TV, clock, frames, a computer, mobile, all these comes under things. So generally everybody will call it computer only, everybody will call it TV only. Yes, if we give name to the TV like Sony TV, then it is special. TV means all TVs are TVs only, general, common. If we say Sony TV, then it is special name. Understood? Example, see, boy, all boys are called boys. Girl, all girls are called girls. City, if we give name to that place and say, then it is special. Only city means all places we have cities. So city only. Common. Cat, all cats are cat. Tiger, all tigers are tigers. Table, all the tables wherever you see you will call it table. Here also I will say this is table. In your house also you will say that is table. Yes or no? So all tables are table. Desk. We have in school we will sit and write on the desk. Yes or no? So all the desks are called desk only. So common. Generally these all things like people, names of people, places, animal, things. What? Names of people, places, animal, things. Generally used are known as common names. Now go to special names. Naming words that we give to one person. Here for all. Here people means mother means mother. Everybody will call their mother mother only. Father means father. Everybody will call their father father only. So it is common to everyone. Here this we will use only for one person. Only for one person. Like your name. Your name is special name. Yes, in your house your name is your name, like your name, your sister name also is same, your mother name is also same. No, everybody have different name. Everybody have different names. So our names are special names. Our names are special names. Your father will have name, your mother will have name, your brother, your sister, yourself, all have names. So our names are special. If we say girl, boy, common. Girl, boy, common. But if we give the name Reena, then Reena is a special name. Reena is the name of one girl only. Reena is the name of one girl. So here naming words that we give for one person, one place, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Kolkata, Chennai. These all are names of places. Yes, names of places. Now park, everywhere we call it a park only. Everywhere we call it as garden only. In Hyderabad also we will say park. In Delhi also they will say park only. But names of places like Secunderabad, we have only one Secunderabad here. Yes, Hyderabad, Delhi, Kolkata, all these are special names. All these are special names. Animals. Now if you have pet animals, we will give name to the pet animals like Lucy, Brownie, Whitey, then it is a special name. If we say simply dog, then it is common. If we give name to the dog or cat or tiger or elephant, then it is a special name. And things. Yes, now I am saying this is a book. This is a book. Then it is general, common name. But if we give name to this book and say English Grammar Collins book means, then it is special. Like things we have. Watch, Titan watch. Only if we say watch, it is common. All watches are watches only. If we give name to that watch, Titan watch, then it is special. Now TV, all TVs in your house also you will call TV. In neighbor house also children will call TV only. But if we give name to the TV, Sony TV, then it is special, because many varieties of TVs we have, many names of TVs we have. So if we take out the name, then it is special. Then it is special name. Like Ravi is the name of one boy only. Or everybody's name is Ravi. Like everybody, fathers we call father only. Like Ravi also, everybody we call Ravi only. No, father is used by everyone. So it is general name. It is general name. Ravi is the name of one person only. So it is special. It is special. Tina is the name of one girl. So special. Brownie, name of pet dog. Special. Chennai, name of place. One place only. Name of one place. 10 Chennais we have. No, one Chennai only. So name of any one place. Chennai. Monday. Now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week. Yes, 7 days in a week. These all 7 days are also special, because one day we will call it Monday. Next day all the days have names. Like you, all the days of a week also have name. Yes, so it is special. Names are there for the days, so it is special. Now January, February, months of the year. All the months have names. All the months have names. 12 months are there. 12 months have names. January, February, first month January, second month February. So all the months are also having names. So they are also special. Weeks, Monday, Tuesday also special only. January, February also special only. See, you can see here all the special names are starting with capital letter. These are common. Boy, girl, city, cat. How we started here? With small letter. But here Ravi, Tina, Brownie, these are special names. So special names always we will write with capital letter. Your name is also special. So whenever you write name on the book, how you will write? You will start with capital letter. If you are writing your father name, you will start with capital. If you are writing your brother name, you will start with capital. If you are writing mummy name also, you will write with capital. Why? Because they are special names. So special names always start with capital letter. Common names we can write with small letters. We should write with small letter. Understood the difference between both? Common name means generally used by everyone. Special only for one person, one place, one animal, one thing. Now read again. Common names. Naming words that are the general names for the same kind of people, places, animals and things are called common names. Example: boy, girl, city, cat, tiger, table, desk. Next, special names. Naming words that we give to one person, place, animal or thing are called special names. Example: Ravi, Tina, Brownie, Chennai, Monday. Now open your textbook, lesson 3. Open your textbook, lesson 3. Lesson 2, all finish writing lesson 2 in your textbook. This I told you to complete, children. Did you finish? Page number 18 finish. Go to page number 19. This is our lesson 3, common names and special names. See here. Your name. Now write your name. If you are writing your name, Reena, how you will write? R-E-E-N-A, Reena. What we are writing? We are starting with capital letter. We are starting with capital letter. Now, the name of your school. You in first line write your name. Start with capital letter. The name of our school. What is our school name? Little Scholar High School. So I should start with capital because it is all schools are schools only, common. But if we give name to that school like Little Scholar High School, now it is special. Now write Little Scholar, L-I-T-T-L-E, Little, S-C-H-O-L-A-R, Scholar, H-I-G-H-I, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, Little Scholar High School. Then the name of your teacher. Write your teacher name. When you are writing your teacher name also special name. So you will start with capital letter. Write N-A-Z-R-E-E-N-A, Nazreena. Then name of a friend. You can write name of your friend. Name of your friend. Any one friend name you can write, and that too with capital. This all we started with capital. Why? Because these all are special names. These all are special names and it should be written with capital letter first. Is it clear, children? Now you will write these two in your classwork. You will write lesson 3. You will write the heading and copy common names and special names in your classwork. Next class I will teach you some more. We will continue the lesson, but here you should write and also you should learn, children. These three you will copy in your textbook. Where page number 19. These dashes are there. All the special names, write it very neatly. Your name. Though you don't write Reena, I wrote my friend name. You write your friend name. Your name. Your name you should write. Little Scholar High School, school name you should write, your teacher name you write, and also your friend name. All these are starting with capital letter because they are special names. Do your work very neatly. These two you should write in classwork and learn also. In next class I will ask you what is special name and what is common name. You will be able to answer. You should be able to answer. So write this neatly in your classwork. Thank you, children.